Well, then, if we could, just you guys individually then.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
What do you feel is the best angle to touch? All right, so what's the company? What do you guys do?
Inland Electric. We are an electrical contractor, mainly commercial industrial, and we've got a renewable energy division, and we're dedicated to solar photovoltaic and wind energy.
Great. So what kind of trends are you guys seeing in the market? Does it seem like it's going up?
It seems like it is. I wouldn't say it's a huge spike that we expected, but it is going up.
Definitely, with the economic situation, you might have seen some sort of impact there.
I think it's going to continue to go up no matter what the economic situation is. It's just people realize that this is our future, and if we don't embrace this technology now and get it off the ground, that we just don't have much of a future. So,
well said. How do you feel about the technology itself and the progress it's making?
Well, it is what it is, you know. Of course, everybody would like to see it be as efficient as it can be. Yeah, everybody knows, too, baby steps.
Okay.
We'll get there.
And what's the range of your installation network?
Well, we cover, I would say we cover a good percentage of Washington and most of Oregon.
Great. And so our company, as you know, is called Green Renaissance, and we feel that this is a renaissance taking place, quite little to the one that took place in the 1700s of the arts and sciences, a total revamp and explosion of ingenuity, and it's beginning by going green. Is this something you think was quite possibly the case?
I have to agree with that. I mean, green is just, it's what we have. It's where we're going, and that's probably going to be our focus for the next 100 years or more.
Wonderful. Great. And are you opposed to us possibly using us on our website or YouTube account?
Well, I don't mind.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, sir.
All right.
Yeah, it'll pretty much be the same stuff.
I gathered it would be. No, you prepared me. Thank you.
Ready?
Yep.
All right. Chris Watson with Green Renaissance.
Steve McGrath, Sustainable Solutions Unlimited.
Great. Nice to meet you. So what is your company do?
We are a general contractor for energy efficiency and renewables. We do both residential energy efficiency through the Home Performance with Energy Star program, and we do solar installations, both commercial and residential, photovoltaic and hot water. We're also interested in doing more in other renewable energy areas.
Great. And how has your market seemed to be affected recently with the economic situation?
Well, let's be clear. We are seeing continuing demand, and we are growing our home performance team. We're seeing continuing interest in solar. We just completed, there's an article in the Portland Tribune here, an installation on the EcoTrust building for almost 37 kilowatts. And we expect to be doing more in that scale of installation. There's a lot of interest, especially among business owners in doing solar. So, on the home performance side, people know that the energy prices may be down at the moment, but they're not going to stay down, and they want to get their homes as efficient as they can, and they see the house as a system approach as the best way to do that. So they're calling us, and we're going out and helping people save 30% or more on their energy bills by air sealing, duct sealing, and insulation and other measures.
That is good stuff. So, as you know, we're called Green Renaissance, and we believe that the Renaissance is taking place not just with the arts, but with sciences and technologies as well, and it's going in the green direction. Do you possibly agree with that?
I think there's a good analogy there. What we really see is, I would call it broader than that. I would call it a sustainable Renaissance in a way, because we're seeing not just the greening, but also consideration of the environment, the economics, and also the social equity side of things. That we need to treat people better. We need to take a comprehensive approach to a systems approach to how we handle problems. When we're doing home performance and Energy Star, it's about looking at the house as a system. We're looking at the conservation all the way to the renewables. We're looking at the whole system. We're paying a living wage to our people. We're employing subcontractors to do the same thing. We're looking to use green products. So it's a mindset. It is, as you say, which is what define the Renaissance, a mindset of how we're going about this, of how we look at the social structure that underlies this. And I think it's a very strong movement of change in our corporate attitude going forward.
Wonderful. And is it okay if we possibly put this on our website?
Absolutely, and thank you for the opportunity.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Take care.
You guys, has anyone given you our cards by any chance?
I don't know that they did.
Go ahead and give you a card here.
Okay.
Out of a nifty bamboo case.
Oh.